guys two Chinese words. This is Easy Chinese Lesson 2. In the following few lessons, I will be teaching you some basic Chinese words and how to read them also. Once you get the hang of this, you will enjoy this language. So if you want to know more about Chinese language, you can download the word card. You can download the word card in
Fabulous TV 45.blogspot.com and know more about Chinese and our other videos, and please subscribe.
Okay. So today I will teach you this word, 中文. It is 中文. ZHONGMUN. And this word means Chinese language. Next, 你好 is NAEHO. 你好 means hello or hi. Today I teach you guys these two words, and I will teach you more words in the next Easy Chinese lesson. Bye!